Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a review for you. It's not one of my normal reviews where I review luggage or show you any packing methods, but it is something travel related. It is the Coalatree Evolution Hoodie. Now this I saw several months ago, I'm going to say probably 6 months, maybe even a year ago. I saw a Kickstarter campaign for this and I thought it looked really interesting. I kind of held off because it's an expensive hoodie. I think they were asking, I don't know, like $100 or something, and that's just insane to me. So I wanted to review this because it's still expensive. I think I got it for like close to $70, and that was with a coupon code and it being on sale. So I was surprised that there are very few reviews on this outside of their website. Their website reviews of the product are really good. And I think it has like 4.5 stars. It's pretty good. So, but one thing I was surprised of is there's no reviews of this on YouTube. There are some promotional videos from the company, but there's no reviews. So anyway, I just got this in the mail. I have not taken it out of the plastic yet. So here's going to kind of be an unpacking of this, and I'll show you my first impressions and thoughts on it. Alright, so this one, the sizing is unisex. So I got it in, I believe, small. So I think it fits probably like a male size small if you were going to compare it to any other product like a hoodie. They said it fits like a normal hoodie. It's a very eco-minded company, Coalatree is. If you check out their other products, it's all very outdoorsy, and you can tell they're just really eco-minded. Okay, so I'm going to read you what's in here because it talks about some of the features of this. So it says, from cup to cloth, we've transformed your fresh morning cup. Spent coffee grounds are combined with recycled plastics and spun into new yarns to create the soft yet functional fabric of the Evolution Hoodie. It's packable. So it says, turn your hoodie into an instant travel pillow. Just stuff into the front kangaroo pocket and relax anywhere. Keep your valuables safe. Internal pockets are designed for your passport, phone, keys, and more. Zip up and keep them secure. Resists odors. Coffee naturally absorbs and neutralizes odors so you can wear your hoodie for days worry-free. Protects from UV. Our unique fabric shields from harmful UV rays, keeping your skin healthy and happy. Soft to the touch. The Evolution Hoodie is specifically designed for the perfect combination of function and comfort. It says, learn more about the process of turning coffee into clothes at Coalatree.com. And on the back, it says environmental initiatives. You can learn more at their website. Recycled materials, green facilities, sustainable production, and tree-friendly packaging. And so those are kind of the reasons that I was interested in this hoodie and have been for a long time. So first impressions, the fabric is very soft. And you hear some crunching, and that's because there is tissue paper in there where it's folded. So I'll take that off. Alright. Here's the hoodie. So sizing, it looks pretty good. I will try it on to kind of show you, and I'm going to show you some of those features that I just talked about. So first of all, here is the Kangaroo Pouch. It has the normal pockets on each side like you'd expect, and there's nothing in there. They just, you can go all the way through, just like any normal hoodie. However, it has a zip pocket at the top of the Kangaroo Pouch, and that is what they were talking about, where there are extra pockets to put stuff. So there is a Velcro on this pocket, and it's really good size. I would say that's a great place for a passport. And it would Velcro shut to keep it in there. And then on the other side, that pocket's probably about the same size, so that's a great pocket as well. They both Velcro. So the pocket on the left side is a little bit larger than the pocket on the right side. It's going to be hard to show you this. Yeah, camera's not going to pick that up very well, I don't think. So you just have to kind of take my word for it. So another little feature that I just found, there is inside of the zip pocket, there's one of these little holes. So you can put your like headphone cord through that, and that goes to the inside. So you could have your phone or whatever you're listening to like in your pants pocket or wherever, and then put the cord through, and then it could come out the zip pocket and up to your ears so you could hear it. So that's kind of a cool feature too. So as far as branding, I just see the one little Coalatree logo here, and just another little tag here on the bottom of the Kangaroo pocket, and just has their little logo of the like pitchfork and shovel. Alright, so let's see if we can figure out how to turn it inside out to make the travel pillow. So I'm going to try to make it kind of neater. Just going to fold it in, fold the sleeve in. Now keep in mind, this is the first time I am doing this. I literally did not open this before, before this video. Okay, I'm going to take this off. I'm just taking that tag off. Okay, so now it's folded up pretty nice. So I'm just going to fold this, and then let's flip it inside out. Maybe. Okay, so I put the bottom part in first, if that makes sense. And then I'll fold this top part in. There we go. Okay, so it's kind of a, you could probably pack it better than I did, but that worked. And then there's this little tag here, so you could put like a carabiner here, and you could just attach this to your backpack or luggage or whatever. So you wouldn't have to put it inside of your luggage or backpack. And this should zip shut. It's going to be a little tricky, I think, 'cause I didn't pack it the best. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, yeah, there we go. So this zipper seems really smooth. It didn't get caught in the fabric at all anywhere. And then it has the pockets that I was talking about on the inside. They are now on the outside. So you could put some stuff in here for safekeeping, even when it is in its pillow form. It's not the softest pillow, but it would work in a pinch. All right. So it fits as expected and as I wanted it to. I wanted it to fit a little larger, and I wanted it to be longer. So as you can see, it kind of comes down under my butt, and that's exactly what I wanted. Other feature, it does have thumb holes here, so that's nice. The sleeves are definitely long enough. Ooh, and I can feel it's warm already. That's nice. So it's perfect. I like the fit. The hood has plenty of room, has drawstrings to keep it on and tight. And then the pocket, super nice inside. And this pocket here, again, super nice. Easy to get to. And it feels really soft, and it feels really warm. And this fabric, like, it's thin, but very, very warm. So this fabric at the end of the sleeve is double, that is looped around and then sewn. So this is like the double of the thickness of it. I don't know if there's any place I could show you like how thin this fabric actually is when it's not doubled. But it is, it's like a very thin fleece. Any other fleece that I've had, definitely one of the thinner ones that I've ever had. But like, I'm actually getting a little warm. Yeah, so it's definitely a warm hoodie. So that's great, because that's what I like. And the sleeves are big enough so I can pull them up, cool off a little bit. Just to show you, I mean, it's stretchy, so like, it would have no problem if I was wearing a bulky sweater underneath this. It would have no problem stretching around that. Like, just to show you like how big the sleeves. It's quite stretchy. These stretch a lot. And the sweatshirt came with a super cute sticker of the Coalatree logo. It's like a koala wearing a headdress and it's a rainbow. It's so cute. Oh, and it did come with a 10% off code on the back of this sticker. So that's really nice. One thing I didn't mention too, this hoodie comes in several different colors. This is the color that they call black, I believe. Yeah, so this is black, but I would call it more of a dark gray. And it's kind of a space dye. So it has like the little stripies. I would not call it black, but there's black in it with like a dark gray. It also comes in light gray and green, and I think it's like a red or maroon color. So there's definitely options. Now the hoodie doesn't smell like coffee or anything. I didn't expect that it would. And it doesn't smell like anything. It just smells very neutral. So I guess I'm gonna have to see what happens after I wear it for a while and after I wear it on my travels, because that is definitely what I purchased this for. I thought this would be the perfect hoodie to go traveling with, just because I like the zip pocket at the top. It would be so easy to put stuff in here. Anything, my phone, my passport, my IDs, like a small ID holder and card holder and cash holder. And I mean, no one's going to be able to get into that. It's super secure because it zips shut. So it's better than any other hoodie where you just have the kangaroo pocket that's always open and doesn't zip shut. So I thought this would be just the perfect hoodie for traveling, and that's why I purchased it. So I will definitely update the description below if I have any issues with it or any updates after I do use it traveling. If there's, you know, any other features that I didn't find today that I find later.
So here are the different colors of the hoodie. The top left is the black color that I have, and then we have an olive green color with maroon, and followed by gray, which I think they call oatmeal. And next is the size chart that they have on their website, just so you can kind of see the different sizes available on different body types and different sizes of people. So that was kind of what I used to determine what size to order. And then this is a photo from their website as well that shows all of the different features of the hoodie. So one thing I didn't really touch on was that it is moisture wicking material, quick dry material. It is supposed to be odor control. I have not tested that out yet. Something that I did notice about this, it is definitely featherweight, as they say.
Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other travel videos. I have some other luggage reviews and other just like pack with me videos and other packing tip videos. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and make sure you hit that bell to get notified of new videos. I usually am kind of a minimalist packer, so if that's what you're looking for, definitely check out my channel and my other videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.